Hey y'all, it's SheRea. What's up? If you want to know how I went from this, yikes, to this in just one wash day, then let's get into it. And if you see my hands are a bit orange, it's because I use henna, and we'll talk about that a little later. Today I'm back with another wash day video, but this video is special because this is the video after I took my braids down. If you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out right here. I lost a lot of hair and I kept the hair. It's been a week later, I kept the hair because I want to monitor my shedding for the next few weeks. If that's something that you want to see on my channel, definitely let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. If this video gets to 2,000 likes, I'll definitely do that video. But this is the amount of shedding I got. Ooh, all this when I took my braids down. Even though logically I know we can shed anywhere from 50 to 100 strands a day, and this was 5 weeks of shedding, it still scared me. So I knew this wash day I had to really get it together. So let's go through the entire process. Of course, I start most wash days with the Prepoo, and this was no exception. I did go in with rice water, my DIY rice water and aloe spray. I've talked about this multiple times on my channel. I do have a dedicated video. You can check it out. And then I layered the rice water with my fenugreek and aloe Prepoo. Another staple in my regimen, I do have a DIY video showing you how to make that Prepoo. If you haven't seen it, definitely check it out. But per usual, I will also leave some store-bought alternatives down below. I know everyone doesn't like to DIY, so I got you. And if anything interests you in this video, it will definitely be down below. If you click the link and purchase through my links, it really does help my channel. It helps to grow this channel, keep this channel going. So I would love you forever. Thank you so much in advance. When I apply it to my hair instantly feels soft. It helps me to tangle my hair. It's so softening, so moisturizing. If you haven't tried this combination, I definitely highly recommend it. Because I had all this shedding, I just knew I had to go in with some rice water. Rice water gets my hair right. I know rice water is iffy for some people, but it works great for me. Per usual, I did let my Prepoo sit overnight. That is just what works best for me. I found the most success doing so. Haven't found any cons yet, so that's what I do. The next day, it was time to wash my hair. I did go in with a co-wash. I will link some of my favorite co-washes down below. And then I went in with a clay wash. I went in with a Henna clay wash, which is literally my favorite clay wash. I have multiple videos talking about the Henna clay wash. It is so freaking amazing. It gives you a tingle on the scalp. Your scalp feels invigorated. It feels like it's literally regenerating the hair follicles. Love that for me, especially because in my mind, I'm a baldina now. Like I feel like I was balding because of all this hair. Next, I went in with a henna treatment. Once I saw the shedding, I was like, okay, let me pull out my henna, because henna is supposed to strengthen the hair, it can thicken the hair, it can fortify the strands, it can do really great things for the hair, and I was like, okay, I need that. Just in case there is some weirdness going on, I'm gonna stop it right now with some henna. I will leave the recipe down below. I did not film the process for YouTube, but the recipe will get you right. And this henna treatment definitely got me right. If you have shedding, if you have breakage, definitely try henna, but you have to trust the process. I went in with honey and aloe vera juice as well, and that really helped the mixture to be very moisturizing. And when I applied the henna, my curls were popping. I was like, yes sis. Henna is also not the same as a protein treatment, but I don't want this video to be too technical. I may do a video comparing henna, Olaplex, and protein treatments. If that's something you want to see, definitely let me know. I let the henna sit on my hair for 5 hours. Ideally, I would want to do it overnight, but honestly, I just did not have that type of time. So I left it on as long as possible, and then I rinsed it out in the shower. When it comes to henna, you definitely have to follow it up with a deep conditioner. That is non-negotiable. I know some of y'all are skipping deep conditioning these days. It's a no, it's a wrap. Not gonna happen. Follow up with a deep conditioner. For my deep conditioning, I first went in with the oil at my scalp. If I'm not going in with rice water, I'm going in with oil. Those are the two options. Because I went in with rice water at the Prepoo, I didn't have to go in with rice water again. So I did go in with an oil. This is the Henna Souk Ayurvedic Hair Oil. This portion of the video is sponsored by Henna Souk. Thank you so much to people at Henna Souk for keeping the lights on, for continuing to support my channel. I love them and they love me, and I love that for all of us. Look at this. You see that? I've been using it. And I've been loving it. Y'all know I make my own hair growth oil. That is my preference. That is what I do. But I know everyone doesn't like doing that. For those of you who are lazy and don't want to make your own, I highly recommend this one. Highly. It contains 10 Ayurvedic herbs. It contains henna, fenugreek, brahmi, black seed oil, onion, bringraj, aloe, so many yummy ingredients. Not only can it promote hair growth, but it is so softening. When I applied it to my hair just felt so freaking soft. And like I said, this isn't the first time I've used it. It's almost done. I probably have one more use. It is so softening. I've used it on my scalp to oil my scalp. I've used it in Ayurvedic treatments. I've used it to seal my hair. I've used it to deep condition. I've used it in multiple ways, and it's reigned supreme in every single way. I have used a lot of oils over the years, and this is one of the top oil. No shade, but there's some people just selling olive oil with some peppermint oil and charging you $20 for it. Might as well get something that actually can help to promote growth, thicken the hair, add shine, give your hair luster, all the things. Highly recommended. I layered the oil with a combination of 2 deep conditioners because I wanted to use them up, and I just had a little bit of both. I have the Sis. You know I like it because Sis had to open the package. This is the Ateneo Chocolate Espresso Deep Conditioner. I do have a video on my first impressions. You can check it out. I definitely linked it earlier, and it'll also be down below. Coupled with the Kriya Botanicals low porosity protein free. I wanted something that was super moisturizing to get that moisture back in my hair after henna, to balance the strengthening effects of henna, and this did the job. After rinsing this out, my hair was super duper soft. It was moisturized. It felt like silk. And that is what I want in my life. They're good when they're apart, but they are forced when they're together. Whatever Fabulous says. Okay. After deep conditioning, I usually don't style my hair. I literally just put it into like 5 or 6 braids or sometimes twists. But I wanted to see what my hair looked like out because I was convinced that my hair was thinner. So I wanted to see what my braid out looked like. So that's what this whole styling session was about. I did go in with rice water as my leave-in. This is a very moisturizing combination that I have going on. So I went in with this just to get that rice water back in my hair. Rice water is great for breakage, it's great for shedding, it's great for thickening the hair at the root, in my opinion. So I went in with rice water as my leave-in. For my cream, I went in with the Briogeo Curl Charisma Chia and Flaxseed Cold Custard. I've talked about this before, and I wanted to use it up. Operation Use Up the Stash. I only have a little bit left. And to seal the moisture in, I went in with my DIY grease. I do have a video on how I made this. You can check it out right here. You can use any all-natural grease. I will leave one of my favorites down below as always. But yes, that was my combination. And this is the end results, y'all. This is what my hair looks like. Nice and full and thick. And I don't think it looks thinner. I think my hair looks how it looks. This is my natural density. So this wash day definitely helped because last week I was struggling. This is the shedding that I got this wash day. This was a week's worth of shedding for me. Boom. That's it. This little bit of hair. That's it. This is equivalent to twice as much hair. Even though I love my knotless braids, I love the look of it. I love how sexy I felt. I'm definitely going to take a break from long-term protective styling. I'm just going to stick to my weekly wash days. My hair just thrives when I wash it more often, apparently. So I'm just going to stick to that. I'm going to leave long-term protective styling alone. So for the next year, so today until next year, I'm not going to do any long-term protective styles. I'm just going to stick to using my own hair or using head wraps and wigs like I have before and see how my hair thrives with that. I just don't have no time for no setbacks, okay? I put so much time and energy into my hair, so for now, I just don't have it in me to have a setback. So crochet braids are gone, and box braids / knotless braids are gone. You can either have this, or you can have this. I will probably do a separate video talking more about that, but for now, just know that your good sis is taking a break from all that stuff. Well, that's it, guys. This is the end of my wash day. I did try a new style. This is more of a talk through wash day process. If that's something that you like, definitely let me know. Comment down below and let me know. I always do my wash days the same way. So I wanted to try something different, and I hope you liked it. And I hope it gave you insight onto why I chose the things I chose for this wash day and to really help my hair get back to this, because this is what I'm used to. And this is what I want to continue to get. But anyway, guys, I'm gone. Thanks for watching. Bye.